In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva's built-in color palette generator without leaving Canva. This is a simple way to pull colors straight from a photo so your design looks coordinated and intentional, without guessing hex codes or switching between tabs. First, bring your image into Canva. On the left-hand side, open the Uploads panel, click Upload Files, and choose the photo you want to draw colors from. You can use a product shot, a portrait, a brand image, anything with the tones you want in your design. Once it finishes uploading, you'll see a thumbnail in the Uploads area. Next, place the image on your canvas. Just click the thumbnail and it will appear on your page. You can resize it, move it to a corner, or make it large, whatever helps you see it clearly. The key is that the image needs to be on the canvas for Canva to read its colors. Now, pick the element you want to recolor. Click on any text, shape, line, or graphic on your page. In the top toolbar, click the color swatch, the small colored square. This opens Canva's color panel. In that panel, look for photo colors. Canva automatically scans the image on your canvas and generates a ready-to-use palette from it. You'll typically see a range of highlights, midtones, and deeper shades pulled directly from your photo. If you don't see photo colors, double-check that the image is actually placed on the page and selected elements support color changes. To apply a color, simply click one of the swatches under Photo Colors. Your selected element updates instantly. Try a few options to see what feels most balanced. Lighter tints often work well for backgrounds or large shapes, while richer tones are great for headlines, buttons, or accents that need emphasis. As you keep designing, you can reuse that same palette across your project. Those photo colors will stay visible in the color panel as long as the image remains on your canvas. A handy tip is to shrink the photo and tuck it off to the side of your page so the palette stays active while you work. You can always resize or move it back if you need a closer look. That's it. Upload, place, pick a color, and apply. With photo colors, you get instant, cohesive palettes that reflect your image's mood and style, helping your design feel polished and consistent without any extra tools. And that's how you use Canva's built-in color palette generator using photo colors. Quick and easy. If you want, I can also teach how to use Canva's color wheel, inside Canva only.